Zebco Bullet. Best reels I've ever had. These things are about like $100 a shot. The magnesium version is about 125, but much lighter. 9 ball bearings in this thing. It casts like a bait cast reel. It retrieves at about 30 inches per revolution of the handle, so you can really buzz a bait, fish all day, no problems. The only thing I've seen, literally. And you can run braid in it because the pickups are ball bearing. I just pulled the cap off here so I could snug up the bearings on the handle. Over time, these are several years old. That button cover, it moves that little plastic paddle. The button cover dry rots and cracks up. So I've got, this is one I just replaced on another. We have several of these reels. In fact, that's all we use now. Absolutely, hands down, best reel ever, 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 ever. So it's pretty easy on these. It's all machined aluminum. Pull that off. I've already loosened the spinner head. So I'm going to take the, I had to turn it a little bit. That screws off. It's got an oscillating reel. If I can hold this thing and turn that cap at the same time, I'm not doing so good. Here we go. That comes off. This whole reel moves back and forth to spread the line across as you're reeling. Look at the, you know how a lot of spinners, a lot of, what let's call this, spin cast. That pickup pin for the line is just a pin. This is a ball bearing. And literally, you can run braid in them. It runs over that bearing, smooth as silk. This thing will cast like a bait cast reel. You can cast an empty hook. It's an amazing reel. So these are about $100 a shot. Best, like I said, best reel ever. We've got some that are 10 years old. And then the magnesium version is about $150. It's much lighter. That's what we've got. My wife's got one of those now. Well, we have a pile of these reels and love them. So the replacement cover here from Zebco, that rubber cover, is like about $3.50. So I'm about to replace this. So, all right, there's the cover. And what I have to do now, I have to take the reel off this. It's got a quick change reel. You can change reel. You can have reels in your tackle box. They come with several reels with different kinds of line. Pop the cap off, boom, boom, you're ready to roll. Have to loosen the drag or tighten the drag conversely. There's 2 screws. There's a Phillips screw under each one of these holes here. And then that, when you take those off, this cover comes off, you can replace that rubber cover over the button. Piece of cake. I'll show that when I'm done here.